y'all to have one social media, whether it be Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, which one would it be? You can only have one. I'm gonna go with YouTube. I was about to go jogging outside, but it's 20 degrees out there. Even though cold weather is good for inflammation. For the second time today. That was a vlog I did today just to show you don't gotta travel the world. You don't gotta go all over the place just to do a vlog. I just went to the gym and cut my hair, showered. I could have told y'all where I was going, but the key thing to vlogs is just show, don't tell. So I just took you guys with me. If you got any questions, just DM me on Instagram. I'll be more than happy to help you, free of charge. If you got any questions, just make sure you hit that like button before you leave. And